how to thread this Janome sewing machine. First, you're going to remove the spool pin holder, and then you're going to put your thread on with the thread coming from the bottom of the spool. On this machine, it's horizontal. You're going to follow the labeled steps, starting with 1 at the top. Around the metal button, down the tension bar is 2, around is 3, right in the eye of the take-up lever is 4, back down the tension bar right there, and you're going to put it behind this little hook on the left, and that's step 5. Step 6 is to get it in the needle. You're going to do this from front to back. It helps to cut the end so you have a really clean cut. You can even give it a little lick if you need to, and you're just going to pull that to the left. For the bobbin, the hook cover plate, and you're just going to open that with this little black thing. Sliding it to the right will pop it open. Set it to the side, but you do not want to lose this piece. Remember that it's there. Take your bobbin. You want the string coming from the left side, like the letter P, if that helps you remember it, and you're just going to set it inside. Now, in here in the metal is a little groove. I'll show you that a little bit closer. The string is going to go in the groove, and then just pull it to the left. You'll notice it's behind that little metal piece. You can just set it down, and for now you're going to hold onto your top thread, and you're going to hold that loosely. Give it lots of slack while you turn with your hand wheel on the right. You're going to send the needle down and up 1 time, and it brings up the bobbin thread. And then I just set them in the middle. I'm going to show you that one more time, much closer. So I send the needle down with my hand wheel. Just 1 time, you can see the top thread swoop around and pull the bottom thread up into a loop. You want to be paying attention because if you have to keep putting your needle down, you may cause a jam. So just send it down and up 1 time and replace your cover.